Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements. An iPhone 14 Plus running iOS 16. 1 or later, with Face ID or passcode available. Once done, unlock your phone and open Settings. This is where the always-on display lives. Tap Display and Brightness to enter the display controls. Make sure low power mode is off and focus modes are noted because they can affect the feature. You're now positioned at the correct settings. You'll see the always-on option under Display and Brightness. Tap that row to reveal the toggle and preview controls. Tap the toggle to turn always-on display on. You'll immediately see a sample of the dimmed lock screen. Make sure Raise to Wake and Tap to Wake settings match your preference, and check the lock screen options so notifications and widgets appear as you expect. Once enabled, the screen will dim rather than fully turn off to save power. You finish by customizing how much content shows and whether notifications appear on the always-on display, because those choices affect battery use and privacy. If the feature doesn't activate, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update. Software fixes often restore missing toggles. Make sure low power mode and overlapping focus profiles are disabled, as they can automatically turn always on off. If problems persist, reset display settings or contact Apple support for hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.